Title: Speak English Naturally. Introduction: Hello, everyone. Today, I'm going to share some practical tips and techniques that will help you speak English naturally. Whether you're just starting your English speaking journey or looking to improve, this video will guide you. Don't worry if you make mistakes, it's all part of the process. Let's learn how to communicate confidently and have simple, natural conversations in English. 1. Start simple and focus on everyday English. You don't need to use big words or complex sentences to sound natural. Start with simple sentences and everyday phrases. For example, instead of saying, "I am famished," you can say, "I'm very hungry." Use phrases that you hear in daily life, such as, "How are you?" or "What's your plan for today?" 2. Practice thinking in English. One powerful way to speak naturally is to think in English. Instead of translating from your native language, try forming sentences in English in your mind. For example, when you see a book, think, "This is my favorite book." Start with small sentences, and over time, your fluency will improve. 3. Imitate native speakers. Shadowing technique. Listen to native speakers, either through movies, podcasts, or videos, and try to imitate how they speak. Pay attention to their pronunciation, tone, and sentence structure. Repeat what they say as closely as possible. This practice will help you sound more natural. 4. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Making mistakes is normal when learning any language. Don't let the fear of mistakes stop you from speaking. Remember, every mistake is an opportunity to learn. People are usually kind and understanding when you're learning their language. 5. Speak to different people. The more you practice speaking, the more natural it will feel. Talk to your friends, family, classmates, or colleagues in English. Join online language groups or communities where people from different countries practice English together. 6. Use simple conversation starters. Start conversations with questions like, "What's your favorite food?" or "Have you seen any good movies recently?" These topics are easy to talk about and can lead to interesting discussions. 7. Practice daily conversations. Dedicate time each day to practice speaking. You can talk about your day, describe things around you, or even pretend you're explaining something to a friend. For example, "Today I went to the market. I bought some fresh vegetables and fruit." 8. Learn phrases, not just words. Instead of learning individual words, focus on common phrases. For example, learn, "Can you help me with this?" instead of just the word help. This way, you'll know how to use words in context, making your speech more natural. 9. Watch and listen to English content. Watch movies, TV shows, or YouTube videos in English. Listen to songs and try to sing along. This will help you learn new words, improve your listening skills, and understand how words are used in conversations. 10. Record yourself speaking. Record yourself speaking and listen to it. This can help you identify areas for improvement, such as pronunciation or grammar. Over time, you'll notice how much better you're getting. 11. Stay relaxed and enjoy the process. Speaking naturally means being comfortable and confident. Relax when you speak, and don't rush. Enjoy the process of learning and growing. Remember, it's okay to pause or think before you speak. 12. Practice speaking in real situations. Put yourself in situations where you need to speak English. For example, order food in English at a restaurant, or ask for directions in English. Real-life practice is one of the best ways to become natural at speaking. 13. Learn from your environment. Pay attention to signs, advertisements, and notices written in English around you. Try to read and understand them. This will help you connect with the language in everyday contexts. 14. Be patient and persistent. Learning to speak naturally takes time. Be patient with yourself and practice regularly. Celebrate small victories, like completing a conversation or learning a new phrase. 15. Find a speaking partner or mentor. Having someone to practice with can make a big difference. Find a language partner or mentor who can guide you and correct your mistakes in a supportive way. 16. Practice book reading aloud. Reading aloud is a great way to improve pronunciation and confidence. Choose simple books like children's stories or beginner-friendly novels. For example, read a sentence, "Once upon a time, there was a little girl." Repeat it slowly, focusing on pronunciation. Imagine telling this story to someone. Some recommended books for beginners: Charlotte's Web by E.B. White, The Little Prince by Antoine de Saint-Exupéry. 17. Listen and shadow. Listening to English content is essential. Choose podcasts, audiobooks, or TV shows you enjoy. Examples include podcasts like The English We Speak, BBC, or All Ears English. TV shows with clear dialogue, such as Friends or The Crown. Use the shadowing technique, play a sentence. Pause and repeat it, copying the speaker's tone and speed. Continue until you feel confident. For instance, if the speaker says, "What's your plan for the weekend?" repeat after them, mimicking their intonation. 18. Write and speak your own stories. Writing short stories or daily diaries in English can be fun. Then, read them out loud as if you're telling a friend. Here's an example. Write, "Today, I went to the park. I saw children playing and enjoyed the fresh air." Read it aloud, focus on natural pauses and rhythm. 19. Practice listening and answering. When watching English content, pause and answer questions in your own words. For example, if you're watching a cooking show and the host says, "What's your favorite dish?" pause and say, "My favorite dish is pasta." This active practice helps build speaking confidence. 20. Learn and use idioms and expressions. To sound more natural, try using common idioms or expressions. Examples: break the ice, to start a conversation. Piece of cake, something easy. Use these in your conversations, like, "Learning English is not a piece of cake, but I enjoy it." Conclusion: speaking English naturally is not about perfection, it's about communication. Take small steps, keep practicing, and don't give up. The more you speak, the more confident you'll become. Remember, mistakes are a sign that you're learning. Thank you for watching. Let me know in the comments which tip you found the most helpful, and share your own experiences with learning English. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this. See you next time.